Hi you guys, I'm Akanksha Kommirelly and today I'm going to take you guys through my day. I want to head out for a bit. I want to do a little bit of shopping today because I want to restock on a few of my favorite things. So just got out of the shower. I want to do a little bit of skincare with you guys. So I did just wash my face in the shower using this Plum Aloe face wash. I love this one, especially for summer. Soothing, gentle on the skin, really good. Now I'm going in with a serum. This is the Dot & Key 10% vitamin C. Again, one of my favorite. It has vitamin C and niacinamide, etc. So like great for my acne prone skin. Nicely massage it in. Next for moisturizer, my absolute favorite, the Clinique Moisture Surge. Love it. I just can't substitute this like with anything else. It's a great one. Can't leave the house without a sunscreen. Look at how glowy my skin is. I do want to do a little bit of makeup before I head out, but I just want to do something very minimal, easy, like that 5-minute kind of thing. And for that, I love using like tints, etc. So I'm going in with the Smashbox Halo all-in-one tinted moisturizer. I'm in the shade medium. Love this one for that, just like, you know, easy everyday. Just like massage it in like a moisturizer. It just blurs everything out. A little bit of concealer as well, and I'm using the L'Oreal Full Wear Infallible concealer. And if you're wondering where I get all my favorite products from, it's none other than the SSBeauty app. The link will be in the description. You can definitely check it out. For powder, I'm going in with the OG, the MAC Studio Fix. I'm in the shade NC40. Just going to set this entire face using this. For blush, I'm going in with this K-Beauty matte blush in the shade Sugar Candy. Like it like literally looks like a candy. Love this. That's it, simple, easy base. For mascara, I'm going in with this Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. For lipstick, I'm going in with this Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Driver's Seat. It's a little too coral red. I'm going to neutralize that with the same lipstick but in a different shade, and this is called Stepping Out. By the way, I'm actually right now going to SSBeauty store to stock up on these favorites only because they have their Lipland sale going on. So I am going to the SSBeauty store in the GVK1 mall, Banjara Hills. They have like a massive store there and they carry like a lot of different brands. So I just want to go see what all they have and stock up on a few of my favorites. So I'm at the SSBeauty store right now. You can see they carry a lot of different brands, like from MAC to Estee Lauder to Bobbi Brown, Dior, everything in luxury or drugstore you want, they have it. I'm just here to grab and restock a few of my favorite lipsticks today because they have their Lipland sale going on where they have amazing offers on all their favorite lips, from matte lipsticks to glosses and everything. So it's raining slashed prices. I am home. Let me show you what I bought. So I got two lipsticks. So this one is already the one I was wearing today, but it almost got over, so I got this. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out, the one which I put, the neutral one, after the coral one which I put in the morning. Look at my lipstick though, it's still on. Like I ate, I drank, I did so many things, but then I got the MAC Powder Kiss range also. Again, this is the range I really love. This is the Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Sheer Outrage. This is a shade I don't have, so I just thought I'll grab it. Just wait for it. Look how beautiful it is, okay? so pretty, man. I love it. It's so nice, peachy, corally. Very pretty. And one last thing that I got is the same like tint which I wore in the morning that was almost again about to get over. So this is the Smashbox Halo all-in-one tinted moisturizer in a medium. So yeah, these are the 3 things I bought. I'm so exhausted. So that's about it for this vlog, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, following me through my day, enjoyed watching this vlog, and thank you so much for watching. Now I'll just, I think, sign off, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to SSBeauty for more such videos.